How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. I just bought this model plane, and yeah, I'm going to be unboxing it today. I started by opening up the box, and first impressions, there was a weird smell, but, you know, most low-quality, cheap things are have a weird smell in them. I then took out the wings. They're pretty nice quality. And then the fuselage and everything else. The controller is a pretty nice controller. And yeah, it just came with a lot of things. I then saw this little white box because my 2 brain cells didn't remember it, and then opened it up. I then opened up the little bag, which was full of spare parts and some landing gear. I then tried putting in the landing gear, failed at most of my attempts. I was putting them in the wrong way, and yeah. I then got it ready for flying. Just had to screw in the thing, and yeah. I find it pretty funny because this is an off-brand version of United Airlines called Moonited, but then I took it out to fly. Okay, so I'm gonna take the plane off traditionally. All right, here we go, test 1. Up. No. Okay, here we go, attempt 2. Go up, my boy. No. Okay, so I'm currently doing this. Oh, yeah. There we go. She's flying. It's a bit windy. Come on. Yes. Oh, no. Oh, she's still airborne. Oh, never mind. Oh. We're gonna try that again. The last attempt was quite good. All right, throttle up. Hopefully the camera can see this. Ooh, I'm losing control. Oof. And gonna try and keep the camera focused on it. Ooh, we're flying a little bit low. Did we hit the tree? Do flip. Okay. Oh, that was good. Here we go.
He's making his jolly trip around.
Oh!
I can do him. Okay, that's gonna make it a lot easier. I think I lost him.
Oh!
Above your guys' head.
There we go. Yeah, that seemed like it.
Ooh, wow.
I'm trying to get it. Yeah, if you keep flying it over me, that's when I lose it. Oh. No, we need corgi action. No, I'm losing him.
Oh!
Oh.
Whoa!
And there it goes. He immediately lost control and died. Yep.
Oh! Into the wind. Oh, no. Oh! You saved it!
Did you get that?
Yeah!
Oh! No. Oh. I'm just gliding.
Oh! Oh!
And I'm gonna try and land it. I'm going around.
What you doing?
Just hooking up the plane, getting it ready to fly.
Plane.
What does a plane mean?
I feel like I need to bash. If I feel like if I caved your skull in, you'd get smarter instead of dumber.
Dang.
Can I be electrocuted by this?
Only if you tear apart the battery, that's like a ton of money to replace.
Ooh.
Let me just get the plane underbelly in shot. Propeller
Where
goes
is the little
speed.
screw?
He's yep, he definitely knows what he's doing.
Now, for
Intelligence.
more stability, we're gonna brutalize the plane.
Pins.
Ah! We should do that to Harrison.
Oh my god, it's Boxhead! He speaks for the boxes.
Barely.
It hurts?
Yeah. What do you think? I can't feed crap.
Epic. Whee! He fly away. Where? Whee! He fly away. Oh. Let him go. Ooh.
Time to do something stupid.
Something stupid.
Whee! I lost him. No, I lost him. Okay. There he is.
I'm just gliding now.
Glide. Glide away. Ooh. Oh, that's a significantly longer flight. Ooh. I think it's gonna crash into those vents, honestly.
Oh!
Got it.
I'm flying at a little bit of a lower throttle.
Yeah. Oh. Wow. Epic. Wow, dude. Please. I think I just hit something.
Nope.
Oh!
That was cool.
Sadly, I don't think I recorded it. I at least recorded it starting.
Uh-oh.
How did I hit that?
I don't know, man. No longer has Lando.
Yeah, just so it has a little bit more stability.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Wee. Wow, wow.
Shit.
Oh, crap.
Ooh. Whoa.
Why did it?
It die.
Oh, yeah, much better.
I'll fly it.
Oh, wow.
Hit me. Crash into me. I deserve it. Hit me, my good sir.
Oh!
With that flight being done, and that was 2 days of flying right there, I guess that was all the flying for this video. In my opinion, this is probably the best plane for a beginner, and I had a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. I don't really know what else to talk about here, but I got my Discord server up and running, so that's kind of a big announcement. Get used to seeing Harrison. He's going to be here for the rest of this channel's existence. And yeah, stay safe and stay happy. See ya.